Ever wondered why an object at rest stays at rest and an object in motion stays in motion unless something interferes? It's a fascinating concept that has puzzled thinkers for centuries. This is what we call Newton's first law, also known as the law of inertia. Newton's first law states that an object will remain at rest or move in a straight line at a constant speed unless acted upon by an external force. Now let's break that down. This law is all about the concept of inertia, the resistance of any physical object to a change in its state of motion. It's like when you're sitting comfortably on your couch, you'd rather stay put unless something, like the smell of fresh pizza, motivates you to move. Inertia applies to objects in motion too. Picture a soccer ball rolling across a field. If no external force, like friction or a player's foot, interferes, it would just keep rolling in a straight line forever. But in the real world, forces are always at play, disrupting this ideal state of inertia. So, Newton's first law is kind of like a declaration of laziness for objects. They don't want to change what they're doing unless they're forced to. In essence, without an external force, things want to keep doing what they're currently doing, either moving in a straight line or staying still. In a nutshell, Newton's first law is all about inertia and the role of external forces. It's a fundamental principle that governs how objects move and interact in our world. It tells us that an object at rest tends to stay at rest, and an object in motion tends to stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force. This is what we call inertia, the resistance to change in motion. It's like the universe's way of maintaining status quo. But when an external force comes into play, it can change this state of motion. This could be anything from a push, a pull, or even gravity itself. So remember, next time you see an object at rest or in motion, think about the invisible forces at play, courtesy of Sir Isaac Newton.